important aspects. Actually, in reality, in my presentation, we go by this topics, history of workup, why so much workup poverty, that is the propaganda which is being spread through media. What is the registration process of workup which has been changed? Work by user has been removed. What is the impact? What is the condition of overall workup? In work board there are non-Muslim members. So what is their impact? The survey has been transferred to collector. CEO of workup board is the non-Muslim. So it takes around 45 minutes. But now we have to wrap up in for 15 minutes. I will try to tell the important points. Now, first of all, there is a myth which is like how the worker board is having a third most largest property in country. That is wrong, because first of all we need to understand that when a Muslim does a worker, so that property remains in that state till the day of judgment. Now the worker property which we are seeing right now in country, all over the country or in the entire world, it is not the worker, it is not the property which has been done in last 50 or 100 years generation, but it is the 1450 years. A Muslim at the time of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, if he has made a Sahaba has made a wakaf, so that wakaf is still existing today and it will be remain till the day of judgment. So the wakaf, the entire wakaf property we have, it is not of 100 or 50 years, it is of 1450 years. That we need to keep in mind. Secondly, wakaf, like I'm giving you one, you can see if somebody is saying that wakaf holds 6 lakhs acre property, which is third largest. So if you go to other reports and you will find it out, the only two endowment boards. Every states have different endowment boards. Only two endowment boards, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, alone holds 9.4 lakhs acres of land, and which is more than the entire worker board properties we have. If we calculate every state worker board's properties, it will go beyond the numbers. So this is wrong notion which is being spread that a worker board is holding third largest property. This is wrong. Secondly, when we talks about WAQF, so it is a WAQF Act 1995, and the amendment which has been brought in 2024, it is changing. Some changes have been 43 amendments have been done in the WAQF Act 1995. The major registration, the major thing which has been done there is like the power has been transferred from